Hi, this is Tim from PowderSafe. Today we're going to have a look at the Eflare range of products. The Eflares are an electronic safety beacon. They're battery operated, intrinsically safe. You have the small series, and then which predominantly runs on AA's, and then you have the larger units which run on either AA's or D cells. The key difference between them is the small unit will run for 20 hours continuously, where the large Eflare with 2 D cells will run for 40 hours. As you can see with the different coloured lights, there are different configurations. There are steady-on lights, which is just a constant one colour. There is a flashing single colour light, such as this green one, and then you have a dual flash light, which operates with the 2 different colours. The Eflares come in a range of colours, so you can get them in white, amber, green, blue and red. The configurations can be changed to give you the light output that you require, and the lights themselves on a dark night are visible from approximately 1.5 kilometres on a flat environment. Now today we've got the products set up on a range of the available attachments. So over here to my right we have the Eflare cone clip, which allows you to take your Eflare, mount it up onto a traffic cone to give it a higher level of visibility. The other very good thing about the Eflares is the way the light comes out of the Eflare is at a circular ring, not straight up. So you can stand in close proximity to the light and it will have no impact on your night vision because it actually emanates out the sides of the Eflares. This particular unit is fitted with a heavy magnetic base, and the magnetic base is rated up to 80 kilometres an hour. So you can attach that to your vehicle for relatively low speed travel. There are 2 types of rubber bases. This is a standard road base, and this unit is an aviation base which has the heavy duty claws which allows it to keep the Eflare upright after the prop wash or the rotor wash from the aircraft. Another accessory which is on this unit is the magnetic clip, and with a magnetic clip you can attach it to any metallic surface static, so whether it's warehouse racking, side of a vehicle or any other metallic object that you require it to be placed onto. You also have other attachments such as a suction cup. You also have a directional hood. So again, with the directional hood you can put it on and then you can limit the field of the light in terms of its emission. You can buy the Eflares as a single unit. You can buy the accessories, single units, or then you can buy what's termed as an emergency services kit. Now the kit itself comprises of up to four of the Eflares, large or small, equal number of cone clips, and also the road bases. Multiple uses for the Eflares, obviously roadside emergency markers, also within an industrial environment, councils who have to do after hours work when there's burst water mains or similar. So they're very durable, they're intrinsically safe, they're extremely tough, they're Australian made, very simple to operate. To operate them, it's just a matter of turning the head to the on and the off position. And again, also when it comes to changing batteries, the units are very simple in terms of batteries. They have a cartridge inside the unit. Change your batteries over, put your end cap back on, screw it back on, and we're good to go. So that is the Eflare range.